Follow that car. No.
State police?
State police.
Like, don't follow me.
Hey Lou, hey bud. Ralph. Oh, that's right, Ralph ain't working today. Just Junior and Lou and Tommy. And Ida's brother. So we need more snow, huh?
Needs to go away. Summer needs to go.
I'd see more snowmobiles out riding the trails this weekend, more likely, though. I'll have to go up to Bristol or down to Brantley. Nobody up on the power line trails, no snow. There's a few tracks, but not many. Just a couple. Surprised there ain't more people out riding.
They're working.
Yeah, everybody's working. They don't have off like we do. I need the gas station. Nope, everybody's still working. There was one earlier we saw though. What's up? Nope. None. How'd you tell me? All the buses lined up at Wayne Central. What's that?
Right home with snotty nose pain in the asses.
What'd you call the kids in school, babe?
Snotty nose little brats, yes.
In high school?
Yeah.
I'll go from one school to the next. Whole line of them. Trucking on down through there. That's from the middle school to the high school. Got their own little roadway. That's cool, huh?
Yeah. Great.
Just left the... Just great. One snotty nose to the next.
Yes.
I can't believe you.
The buses don't have to come on the road.
Yeah.
They used to be a pain right in the neck.
The bus rides, middle school, high school, whole lines of buses. And then the farm. Gonna make it up the driveway?
No, I'm gonna go this way.
Gonna go this way? You're cheating. Let's see if you get stuck. You better get a run. Get up that hill. Whoa, subsiding away, mud mama.
You like that, don't you?
Go right into that snowbank. Jump that hill. Jump it. I gotta fix the exhaust, huh? Man, climbed right up in here better than the mud truck did.
So I'm good.
You're good? Is that what you said?
I'm the best. I'm better than you driving. I just don't know how to drive.
Is that right?
That's right.
Went to Walmart to get some junk. Let's go open that stuff up. World's smallest compressor. see who's calling.
Not me.
Junior. What's the address of the house?